In this video, we're going to show you how to fix multi-line text, also known as MTEXT, not showing in paper space in AutoCAD. MTEXT is commonly used for notes, labels, dimensions, and other important information in a drawing layout. When text suddenly disappears in paper space, it can make your sheets look incomplete and cause confusion when preparing drawings for printing or sharing. Fortunately, this issue is usually caused by a simple setting rather than a problem with the text itself. In many cases, the MTEXT is still present in the drawing, but is hidden due to layer settings, annotation settings, or display issues. The good news is that you can usually solve this problem with just a couple of quick checks. By the end of this video, you'll learn some easy methods to make your MTEXT visible again in paper space and ensure your layouts display correctly. So let's get started. The first method is to check the layer that contains the text. Select the area where the text should appear and open the Layer Properties Manager. Make sure the text layer is turned on, thawed, and not frozen in the current viewport. If the layer was hidden in the viewport, turn it back on and check whether the MTEXT becomes visible. If the text is still not showing, check the annotation scale. Select the MTEXT object and verify that its annotation scale matches the scale being used in the viewport. If necessary, add the correct annotation scale, or temporarily disable annotative behavior to test whether the text appears. In many cases, one of these two checks resolves the problem immediately. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, check the layer containing the MTEXT and make sure it is visible in the current viewport. Second, verify that the annotation scale is set correctly and matches the viewport scale. And third, refresh the layout after making changes to confirm that the text is displaying properly. Remember that MTEXT often appears missing because of viewport-specific settings rather than because the text has been deleted. Taking a moment to check layers and annotation scales can save a lot of time when troubleshooting paper space display problems. Keeping your text organized on dedicated layers and using consistent annotation scales can also help prevent similar issues in future projects. It's a simple troubleshooting process, but knowing where to look can make fixing paper space display problems much faster and easier. And that's how to fix multi-line text, or MTEXT, not showing in paper space in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.